Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to study chapter number 1, Similarity. So in this video we will be studying about similar triangle and the test of similarities of triangles. All the tests I am going to teach you one by one. So first we will see what are similar triangles. Now from the word we can understand the angles of two triangles are similar. So those triangles are said to be similar triangles. If the sides of the segments of the triangle of two triangles are similar or congruent, then we can say that they are similar. The statement has been given in the textbook. This is a digest, so you all can refer over there also. Same kind of statement is been given, nothing much is different over here. So a sign of similarity is been denoted in this way. Okay, it is an ulta S. You all can see it over here. It is in this way. Alright, so now we will move on to the test of similarities. Now there are many tests of similarities such as AA test, SAS test, SS test. Okay, so in this chapter we will be particularly studying only these tests of similarities. I have already made a separate video on explaining this test, but many of you all haven't understood some points, so I'm going to explain and cover all those points which are not been clear to all the students. Now these tests are being used and are called as test of similarities. Okay, they are considered according to the angle, according to the side and angle, and according to the sides. So let's take the example so that it will be more clear. Now as I said, the first test that we are going to study is AA test. Now AA test is, what does that means? For a given 1-to-1 correspondence between the vertices of two triangles, if the corresponding angles are congruent, then the two triangles are similar. So don't get confused. AA test means angle, angle, angle test. Means all the three angles of the two triangles corresponding. Corresponding means same to same. Okay, the angle should be same direction. So those angles of the triangle are said to be congruent and those triangles are said to be similar. So how are you going to write it? So two types of triangles will be given along with their measurements or the angles that they have said. As it is in AA test, it will be given to y'all. Y'all have to write the congruent pairs first and then the test. So corresponding side is this sign. Okay, that means ABC is corresponding to PQR. This is what the statement means. Okay, this sign is of corresponding or correspondence, you all can say. Now, in this, angle A is congruent to angle P. Alright, angle B is congruent to angle C. Okay, then angle C is congruent to angle R. Okay, I think I made a mistake for B and Q. Okay, so B and Q are congruent, A and P are congruent, C and R are congruent. I said C over here, I guess. So when all the angles, corresponding angles of a triangle are congruent, then that triangles are said to be congruent by AAA test, and the similar sign you all have to write. Okay, so triangle ABC is similar to triangle APQR. Is it clear? Now the next test is AA test. AA test means two angles. Okay, in the above we did three angles, over here only two angles. So this is going to be a part of this test only, AA test, where only two angles will be similar. See, M and S, N and T. Okay, when the measurements are not given, sign have been given. If you all can see, X is over here and one small 0 is over here. So M is congruent to S and N is congruent to T. Therefore, triangle LMN is going to be similar to triangle RST by AA test. Okay, similar sign you all have to add. Clear? Now, the next test is SAS test. Side angle side test. Okay, so in this it is very easy. Again, one angle and two sides are going to be congruent. Okay, so between the vertices of two triangles, if two two sides of one triangle are proportional to the corresponding side of the other triangle and the angle included by them are congruent, then the two triangles are similar. So this is the statement of SS test which is defining it. So first correspondence sign you all have to give, then you all have to write the pairs. Okay, now over here 2.8 and 4.2 is been given. So you all have to first take the ratios. Okay, which is going to be 2 upon 3. Then angle Q is going to be congruent to angle Y. Q and Y. So therefore sides and two sides and one angle is congruent. Therefore these two triangles are congruent or similar by SAS test. In this way you all have to write it. SAS test, triangle PQR is similar to triangle XYZ. Now SS test is again very easy, side test. When all the sides or vertices of the three sides of the triangle are proportional to the corresponding sides, then those triangles are said to be congruent, and by which test? SS test. So see, over here we have to find the ratios first. Now ratio is going to be AB upon GE, BC upon EF, AC upon GF, as we did for the second test also, ASA test. Okay, so over the same thing you all have to do over here, that you all have to take the ratios. If the ratios are equal, the ratio is equal, that is 5 upon 3. All the ratios of the triangles are similar. 4 and 2.4 are in the ratio, 5 and 3 is in the ratio, 4.5, 2.7 is in the ratio. Therefore it is congruent by SS test, and therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle GEF. That is. Now properties of similar triangles. There are few properties that you all have to keep in mind in order to write the sums. You all have to remember the points and the properties. Reflexivity. Every triangle is similar to itself. Okay, so every triangle is going to be similar to itself. For example, ABC is going to be similar to ABC only. Symmetry. If one triangle is similar to the second triangle, then the second triangle is similar to the first. I will explain you with the example this statement. If first one is similar to second one, means second is also similar to the first one. You all can say it is twin. Now transitivity. If one triangle is similar to the second triangle and the second triangle is similar to the third triangle, then the first triangle is similar to the third triangle. Now what does this mean? Means first is similar to third, first is similar to second, second is similar to third. So third and first are similar. Again with an example I will explain you. Suppose this is the first, second and third triangle. If these two are similar, then these two are also similar. Therefore these two are also similar. Got it? It's that. What is transitivity? Okay, so remember these three properties. It is very important. Now over here a proof has been given for AAA test, which if you all want, you all want me to explain this theorem or property, you all can comment in the comment section. I will prove it. I have already posted a video on this. If you all are not clear with that video, do let me know so that I can post it with a new explanation, as I have posted the properties of triangle or similarities. I hope this video is clear to everyone. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.